So I made a object of JWT util class, and let's make it auto wired. And now using that class, I will send the JWT and it will give me the username that I saw you few minutes before in jwt.io website, right? So we got the username from the JWT. Now we need to check that that username is valid or not. Okay, because anyone can paste the JWT from another website from to our website, and our website will think that it's right. So the format is right, JWT format. But no, here we need to understand that the username that we fetched is ours or not. So now I'm going to a security context holder. Yes, this one. Dot get context. Dot get authentication. If it's null, then I need to here I need to fetch data from database, right? So I need to create a class which will implement the user detail service, and with help of that we will send data to user detail service, and it will verify the user. Wait, I'm a bit confused right now. Okay, let's make a class. Okay, service custom user detail service, and it will implement user detail service. If you will go inside this user detail service interface, you will see that there is a method which is load by username, and in place of this username we need to pass the email ID of the user from our database, right? I think you understand this. uh, Now where is our database? It's here inside user. Yeah, inside this user. So where is the repository which will help us to execute the query? And now with the help of user repo. But first, inside the user repository, we need to make a method which will help us to find user by username. Find by email. I think I have. Yeah, here is email. And yes, to the people who don't understand why I write this find by in the beginning of this word, you can, I don't know if I have explained this before, but just Google it out, because if I am going to explain this right now, this video is going to be so long. So it's so easy to understand. So here, with the help of user repo, I am finding user by username, and we got the user, and after finding the user, I'm saying if user is equals to null, then username not found exception. Yeah, this one, user not found. And if we will find the user, then it will return custom user detail. It will return custom user details. Okay. We need to make a class which will act like, sorry, what happened? Yeah, which will act like a uh, getter and setter. Okay, which will store the password and custom user details, and this will implement, this is, these are the things that we need to use when we use string security. Okay, you can see it is coming from security core, and obviously it's interface, so we need to use all the methods that are inside that. You need to worry after looking all these things. It's so simple. You can see it's uh, getting the to get the password and to get the username, and if to check if account is logged and credential is expired or not and account is enabled or not, right? uh, but we need to make the object of our database so that it will get the password and username from there. Let's make a constructor too. It will run at very first time, and now in place of get username and get password, we can say like user dot get password and user dot get username. Okay, in place of username we are using email, and account non-expired. I'm saying this true because I don't want that it returns that account is expired, and I also need to make it true. We have made a field which is boolean, if you remember. So I'm setting it enabled, and let's make a let's make one more field which will return the full name of user in case if we need. By adding first name, get first name, user dot get last name. So yeah, done. Now new custom user. Okay, custom user details, and inside this I'm going to pass uh, not the user. Wait a second. If user is null, then yeah, we need to pass the user so that it will get the username. Now inside this class